Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to be giving you my thoughts on the new foundation from Dior, and they're not good. Well, my thoughts aren't good. Now this is the brand new foundation from Dior called Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation. So here it is. And it looks absolutely glorious. You get 50 mils of product in here, which is, 20 more than your standard foundation for around about the same price as a normal 30 mils, which is great. But where they giveth, they taketh away. I've not been able to make this work or look nice, and it's really disappointing because I had such high hopes for this foundation. I thought it was going to be amazing, and it just hasn't worked out that way. And I'm going to give you a demonstration as we go along, and hopefully you'll see. The first thing I noticed about this was the smell. It has a really strong smell, a very floral smell, a very French smell, the Chanel, that kind of scent, which is irritating to me, but I would have overlooked that if the product had been great, but it's just not. With a brush, with fingers, with a beauty blender, it does not seem to sit well. It doesn't mesh with the skin. It seems to pull away from the skin. Hopefully you'll see this in the demonstration. I tried this with moisturizers, primers, it just didn't work. And I tried a standard sort of your average everyday moisturizer. I tried La Mer, that didn't work. Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream, that didn't work. I tried Hourglass Primer and the Becca Primer, and I'm just not loving it. And it's really sad. Now, if you do love this, let me know in the comment section if you've managed to get it to work. So I'm gonna stick on a bit of moisturizer. And we'll see where we go again. So maybe in this video it will work, and therefore everything I've just said is redundant. You never know, do you? You just never know. Okay, so I'm going to use this shade, and I bought these myself. This is 2.5, so let's just hope that this will work. This looks like it may be a little bit dark for my skin. We'll see. So anyway, I'm going to start on this side, and I'm just going to kind of blend it in. Now this is what I would call a light foundation. I'm going to zoom in. So this is what I would call a light foundation. It doesn't offer massive amounts of coverage, but you can build it. But that's where the fun comes in, because you get 50 mils, but you're going to use more product than you need to, because you are going to, sort of need to build up. Now, when we started this tutorial and I was like, it just didn't seem to sit right. Well, it seems to be sitting right this time. I just started this review off saying it wasn't very good. And now I'm looking in the mirror and I'm like, this looks quite good. Honest to God, I don't know what to do now. What do I do? Let's have a look. So anyway, blending this in on this side, and then we'll use a beauty blender on the other side. So I've used about 2 squirts of this product for this side. So let's get in. So you can see that it offers a bit of coverage, but there's still a bit of redness here, definitely above my eyebrow, and where I haven't kind of blended it up here on my hairline. But it actually has, this time, set. Let's try it with the beauty blender. Oh, what is up with this? Now I'm going to have to piss around and play more. Okay, so we'll start with the beauty blender, and we'll just blend this in, and then we'll see where we go. So I'm going to need more product. So you will burn through this. So that is not a good thing. Okie dokie. What is up with that? Do you know what I mean? I was playing with this all day today, and it was like, ugh. And now look. Now it's like a bit of heaven. Okay, so beauty blender, or fingers, or a brush. It all seems to work now. So now what we'll do, I think we'll set it with some powder. So we'll use a bit of Laura Mercier, which is really, really good. And I'm just gonna kind of buff that in. Now this is quite similar to the MAC Face and Body Foundation. In the difference is A, the smell, and B, the texture of this is drier. So anyone who's familiar with MAC Face and Body, it has a much more sort of sticky feeling as it's going on. This doesn't have that, so let's just zoom back in again. Look at that. I know what you're thinking. How can somebody be so beautiful? Well, I say I woke up like it. It's natural. There you go. What do you think? I know, right? So actually looks pretty good. And this is filmed in 4K. So let's apply a little bit of colour because, you know, foundations in general look really nice, but they can make you look sickly if you don't do anything else with your face. So if you want some time off work, apply some foundation and nothing else. I used to know a lady that did that. She was very naughty. There you go. I mean, let's be honest. You know, looks bloody great, I think. I mean, I'm looking at it in this giant bloody mirror. And that looks pretty bloody good. So, do you know what I mean? What's that about? Literally 5 goes this morning, right? And it was like literally pulling off my skin. As in not my skin, but like the product was just coming off the skin. And now it's not. Now it's heavenly. So what's up with that? I'm going to leave you to make your own mind up. If you like the look of this, I'll put all the links in the description bar. Gossy. You're looking flawless, lady. Flawless. See you next time. Bye-bye.